Hello everyone and welcome to this video series. In this particular video series, we will understand how to prepare a quarterly financial model absolutely from scratch. If you check out my videos on financial modeling and valuation, you will see there are monthly models, there are various annual models, there are valuation models, there are merger and acquisition models, financial statement related videos, pitchbook, company profiling, benchmarking related models. Now, in this video series, we will also understand how to prepare a quarterly financial model. A quarterly financial model is little tricky and difficult than an annual model. So we will understand how to prepare financial model quarterly absolutely from scratch from blank Excel file. The company for which we are going to prepare the financial model is Kellogg. Kellogg is a US based listed company, and in this particular video series we will understand how to forecast income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, each item of the financial statements based on quarterly projections. Let us first check out what exactly you will be able to make at the end of this video series. My only suggestion to you is you should watch each video in the series it is given and try to replicate that particular step along with the video. You should not just watch the video, you should also prepare the video, you should also prepare the financial model in your Excel file along with each video. Watch one video and perform the same step in your Excel file also. So let me first show you the completed financial model which you will be able to make at the end of this video series. So this is the financial model which you can see on my screen now. So on this particular sheet we have quarterly income statement. We have 4-5 years of quarter historical quarters, you can see here. Okay, and then we have 5 years of quarterly projections also. Then we have annual income statement, we have balance sheet, we have this schedule sheet where all the items have been forecasted and linked to the income statement and balance sheet and cash flow. This is our cash flow statement and this is our historical annual income statement, right? So with this, what I am going to do, we will start from blank Excel file and we will prepare this financial model step by step with the help of videos. So in the next video, let us understand how to download the quarterly files and annual files of the company from the website of the company and how to bring the quarterly data of income statement into Excel. Let us see that in the next video. Thanks for watching.